Well, I got to lay, blame it on the rain. Guess I gotta stay another night in this town full of lights. Guys like me don't like. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I just want to teach you this song by Jason Aldean. I don't think it's a single he's released, but it's from his new album called 9. And the album is the best album of 2019, I think. So every single song in there is good. So if you haven't really listened to it, go listen to it. It's so good. But what you're going to want to do is standard tuning, Capo on the 2nd fret. I forgot to say, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe and like them so that you can get notified when I come out with new ones. So standard tuning, Capo on the 2nd fret, all right? Then we're just going to use a few chords over and over, and they're going to be in the description of the video, all right? So you're going to start with D. I think it sounds best to palm mute it, all right? You don't have to. You could play it like this. Either way, you are just going straight down the whole song, all right? Just like that. That's how the whole song is. It's verse and chorus and everything. So it starts out with D. So I'm here drinking. Oh wait, sorry, that's the chorus. Well, I got delayed. So muting again. Not sure if I said this already, but is putting that part of your hand, the palm, down here. That's palm muting. Okay, you put it as low as you can on the strings, like right in front of that. Okay, not on it, but right in front of it. If you put it up higher, see, you can't hear it, but right in front of it, you can hear it. So you want it to be as low as you can, but still on the strings. So it starts out with, well, I got delayed, that's D. So, well, I got delayed, blame it on the rain, guess I got it. And then it goes to B, stay another night. And then G, in this town full of lights, guys like me. And then back to D. So me is D, me don't like. Then it just keeps playing on D. So you go through that another cycle, and then after G, this time instead of going to D, and so it's let me in this 90 groove, do what we gotta do. You're gonna play A. So it goes D, B, G, D, D, B, G, A. Do what we gotta do. And then you're gonna wanna play that part loud, like get louder, like that. And I wouldn't palm mute that part. So then you're going to go back to D again when you do the verse. So it's, I'm here drinking whiskey. That part should be louder than the rest of the song, okay? I'm here drinking whiskey. And then you're going to go into Champagne Town. So Champagne is A. So the chorus is going to go D, A, B. Okay? That's how it's going to start. So it's going to be dab G, because then you're going to do G. I'm here drinking is D, whiskey. And then A, in a champagne town, and then B, are you trying not to miss me? I'm trying not to, and not to G, miss you now. Then back to D, blaming you by 2 and me by 3. Okay, then A, it's plain to see all I'll ever be. B, right after you say B, B to you, it's what I am, right, and as you go right to G, right now. Nothing but whiskey in a champagne town. Okay, so you play whiskey in a champagne town. All right, that's the whole song. So the verse is like I said, it's D, all right, B, G, then D, B, G, A. That's the first verse. The second verse, he only plays through it once, so you're just going to go straight to the A. You'll just do D, B, G, A. Okay? Then the chorus, the whole time is just D. Remember, it's dab G. D, A, B, G. All right? That's the whole thing. That's the whole song. So if you want to mute it, palm mute it or not, that's up to you. If you're new and you have a hard time doing it, no worries. You can just play it straight like the whole time. I would try and play it softer during the verses and then louder during the chorus. But that's the whole song. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments or if there's any other songs you'd like me to teach next. But yeah, it's been great, guys. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.